Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you a little grocery haul. Guys, I might look a little bit swollen, but I'm okay. This is, like I said, a foodie grocery haul, and I'm gonna share you what I didn't went grocery shopping. My husband did with my grandson. So I believe my husband said he spent, well, between today and yesterday, he spent $89 on BJ's in 2 cases of soda, one for him, one for me, a big coffee, and something else. That was at BJ's. And then today he spent $126. Okay, so I want to start sharing pears, bananas, plums, grapes, and apples, and peaches. And guys, it says BJ on the bag, but this is from Price Right, my store of choice. Oh, and he also purchased watermelon. I haven't had watermelon in so long. So those are my fruits. And flavored water. This is for my grandson. And 1 coffee cream. And corn. I will put this bag here. And this empty bag in there. So guys, how are you guys doing? Okay. My husband made the bags light because I cannot pick up no more than 10 pounds. And then scalloped potatoes, berry cracker, bowl basket original deluxe mac and cheese. I told him to bring at least 2 of those, and he did. And he brought 2 of the scalloped potatoes. And I asked him to bring me a box of ramen noodles. Yes, guys, ramen noodle, if you drink the whole content of salt, it's a lot of sodium. But I don't. I use the noodles. Sometimes I just make the noodles with a little bit of the powder, and I get rid of the rest. Or I just take the noodles, and I don't know if you have done it, but I take the noodles, mix it with shrimp, and make like a shrimp salad for me. It's delicious. Okay, that was in the bag. All right. And then in here for my grandson is here. He wanted Captain Crunch, so I used to love this with some warm milk. Oh, but I like the old-fashioned Captain Crunch. The little bowl old-fashioned Captain Crunch. You can find that anymore. So that, and yep, my grandson, he got sour cream potato chips, and his dip, and he got another flavored water here as well. Okay, and of course cilantro, they're 99 cents. My husband got me 2 of those. And baby carrots. I had a whole bag of carrots within 2 days, but my babies love it. One of my babies, my dogs, they get this for treats. They love it. French fries. And we need a coffee cream. We were out of everything, guys, because my husband didn't go shopping since I went for surgery. I had my surgery on the 13th. I refused to stay in the hospital, so I walked out of the hospital. Well, I didn't walk out. I asked the doctor to discharge me. He discharged me. I refuse to take painkillers because I don't want to have, no. So I took maybe 3 painkillers and I didn't like that feeling. So plus the opioid crisis, not with me. So cream, coffee cream. Got that there. I have my husband to buy me bacon. I wanted bacon so bad. So here's original bacon. And I had him buy me some empanada disc because I haven't had empanada in a while since the last time I shared with you guys. And 000 oils, 15 grams of protein. And 0 sugars, so good for you. Guys, I'm bending down to pick up stuff up because the bag is heavy. So I asked him for cream cheese, and I also asked him for ground turkey or chicken, whatever he can find, for the empanadas. I'll put that here. And he also purchased some choice beef tender steak. He got this one. And then he got two single steaks. So yeah, I could cut that in strip and do it with some soy sauce. Delish. Okay, there's the steak. And he also got something here. Oh, this one is the one that he bought, is the thin steak to make with onions. So you could make like oh, what is that? Shaved steak sandwiches. Philly cheesesteak. There you go. That. So that was in that bag. And then my grandson, he got his pizza. And guys, my husband also purchased 3 boxes of ices and 1 DiGiorno pizza, which I put in the freezer because I don't want it to get too warm. So, and over here, more flavored water. More flavored water. And I see another bag of potato chips. My husband needed sugar for his coffee. Okay. Ooh, child, Oreo cookies. Hold on, guys. Well, my husband thought that we didn't have mayonnaise, so he bought another one, so I will put this in the cupboard. I just opened a mayonnaise not even a week ago, and milk. Okay, that was in that bag. Okay, guys, my last bag, he purchased bagels, bread, split wheat top. Okay. And 2 dozens of eggs. Yeah, guys, that's my grocery haul that my husband purchased. Guys, there is a blizzard coming for this Sunday coming up, so please stay safe and also be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, guys, be kind because you don't know what other people are going through. All right, guys. Bye.